Okay, today we got the DCS334. This is a 20-volt XR brushless jigsaw. No super deals on this one. You know, every time I see it, it's probably about $199. Jigsaw. Now, there's no good deals on this one, but I will say this is nice and good, medium to heavy duty quality. You've got good speed. You got variable speed on the trigger. You've got adjustments for speed in the handle. You've got a good locking system. You've got tilt. Let's see here. To where you can put it at an angle and then lock it down. You got a quick connect to get your bits in there with this good snapback. The thing I like too is you got this nice plastic collar on the bottom for the shoe. That's easy to take off. Now, I will say that metal, there are some rough edges, so you might want a different plate if you don't want the plastic. But overall, a really nice, solid unit for the price. Let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Thank you.